everybody, it's Steve Verrier with Caliber Home Loans here in beautiful Palm Coast. And you can find me online all the time at theFloridaMortgageCenter.com. That's even after hours. And I'm still sitting here at the Uncaged Tasting Room, nestled here in the hammock.
It's a beautiful place. I love this. The atmosphere is amazing.
Yep, great place. So again, if you haven't been to the Uncaged Tasting Room, you definitely want to come and check it out. And I'm still here with my friend Mark Langley, Captain Marco, Realty Exchange extraordinaire.
Yeah, thank you, appreciate that.
So, but we're here, like I told you, we're here to amaze you, just like Mark amazed me the other day, letting me know about this online retail agency that is, again, it's their goal is to just get you to change the techniques that you use when you're shopping so that you are using better products for yourself, for your family, your household, and for the environment. Everything's eco-friendly, organic.
Basically, they're asking you just to change stores. You're already buying products anyway every day, and but the product you're buying are not so healthy. Matter of fact, it just came out with a study just released last month.
Right.
It's a 20-year study with over 6,200 people in it, and they found out that a lady or a woman cleaning her house once a week, is equivalent to smoking a pack of cigarettes for 20 years a day.
Now, and that's because of inhaling the
fumes and stuff is coming from the
bleach,
bleaches,
ammonias,
and stuff like that in our house. And let me say this, being in real estate, I know that homes are becoming more and more energy efficient. And the more energy efficient it is, the more toxins we bring in, because they can't escape. In the old days, we had windows open and doors open and everything like that, so we don't have that nowadays. But I brought a quick demonstration for you, tell you quickly how I got into this, if you want.
Okay.
When years ago, about 15 years ago, I started using the product. I just use the product. So I do, and I order every month when I order my product. I would normally like bleaches and stuff like that. We replace it with healthy stuff for the environment, for our family, and everything. But at the time, we were using the chemicals like this right here in the house, and bleaches and stuff.
Yeah. And, is this in the screen?
Yeah. And what happened was my grandson, who was probably about 6 at the time, drew me a beautiful little spider. On my wood floor. And I tried everything to get that up. It was with a permanent marker. It wasn't just like a little drawing, it was a permanent marker. And I tried everything. I finally thought I'd have to
scare all your house guests when they come in.
Yeah, I thought I was going to have to sand it down and repaint it, and stuff like that, try to match it, and that was going to be a job too.
Right.
But then someone introduced me to this product. I said, look, before you do that, just try this. I don't know if it's going to work, but just give it a shot. They poured a little bit in a bottle for me, I took it home, and I was amazed. And I was going to show you how I fell in love with the product.
Right.
Along with that, my wife was having migraines, major migraines. Like twice a month, sometimes 3 times a month. Sometimes she had to go to the doctor, and she'd be down for 3 days. In a dark room. If you ever had migraines with everything, trying to get rid of the migraines and stuff.
Can't think.
But the month that we changed the products, she did not have any more migraines, and that's been over 15 years ago. So she's gotten rid of all of her migraines.
Hallelujah.
And the only thing I can think different, I'm not trying to say it's a medical claim or anything, but I've heard other people say the same thing, and same with asthma and stuff, is the chemicals that we're using in our house. And I know we have these great new air conditioners that's supposed to catch everything, but it doesn't catch gases. It catches dust and particles and stuff like that out there, but it doesn't catch gas like bleach and stuff like that. So it actually circulates through the air and it's in your house. So if you have kids, the product we're using here today is, there's no child-proof caps on it, but there has to be.
Right. Right. So you have a demonstration that you wanted to do. So why don't we take a look at that and see what's happening?
Okay.
Go ahead.
All right. So what? My grandson, I'm gonna put 2 spiders. This is a permanent marker right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a permanent marker. And I'm gonna do like he did me. I'm gonna put a little spider here, okay? I'll put a big spider, about smaller than the one he left me on my floor. And he only left 6 legs, I think, instead of 8. So I'm gonna put 2 of them on here.
Looks like a sun.
Yeah, it looks like a sun, doesn't it? I make a better sun than a spider, huh?
Black hole sun.
I hate to say it, but I think my grandson did a better job than I did. So we're gonna make another little spider, maybe a black hole sun or whatever you want to call it and stuff. Now, with a permanent marker...
Shout out to Soundgarden, right?
Yeah. The permanent marker, I'm going to let you send me put it. I'm going to let you pick out which one you want to clean. Which one I'll put,
all right, well, I'll get this
one closer to me. You're going to do that one right there?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to give you the stuff here. Now, this stuff you're supposed to wear gloves with and a mask and everything else. So I'm going to give that to you.
Are we really? Because I use this and I never use a mask or anything.
If you read the instructions, it says don't get it on your skin, don't get it in your eyes.
Is this what stunts my growth? This is what's stunning my growth? Really? Oh my God.
So spray a little bit on yours there.
Okay.
And I'm going to give you a napkin here. How's that? There you go.
Kills 99% of germs.
Yeah. If you leave it on 10 minutes, I think. You have to leave it on the surface before you clean it up for 10 minutes so they can kill 99% of the germs. So, how are we doing?
Well, it's kind of smudging, but not really coming up.
Yeah, it's a little bit up, but I mean it's permanent, so you will be there forever if you ever get it out. I mean,
yeah, I'd probably like start getting some fine steel wool or something maybe.
I tried everything. I tried 409. I tried Comet. I tried Kaboom. I tried everything. And when that person gave me this, this is all natural product here. Again, the main thing I'm showing demonstration because people think, well, it's natural. It's made from plants. It won't work.
Might come off.
It won't work. So let me go ahead and finish that up what you did right there, okay? I take that off of there.
Holy crap.
And this one right here, we get that one off too.
Holy crap.
It's dry. But that's how easy it is to take it up, and get it off with natural products and stuff. So when people say you have to have strong bleaches in your house to clean everything, no, it doesn't happen. It's amazing, but you don't have to have that stuff to get it up. It just comes right off the pot. And this is an amazing product, but that's just one of over 400 products that they have.
All right, so this is a cleaner. So like, what about if I got a stain? I was at the Women's Council of Realtors fashion show last night, and I know it wasn't me spilling the sangria because it was up here on my shoulder.
Yeah.
But I had a white sports jacket on, and so now I got this little, thing, so
Solumel will take care of that for you. Solumel will take care of that. It goes right through. It's another example with my.
Buddy, you just saved me a $30 dry cleaning bill.
You put that on there, take care of it. Matter of fact, I had a friend of mine had her favorite dress had a red spot on it with fingernail polish or whatever it was, and she sent it to the cleaners, and they went ahead and dry cleaned it with it in there. And then when they saw it, she saw it, sent it back to the cleaner, told them about it. They sprayed it with the thing they had, sent it back. They couldn't get it out. And then I said, well, look, I don't know. Let's try it. It works on clothes. I might ruin your dress.
This is great.
But it doesn't hurt colors or anything else. It took it right out, and she was happy to keep her favorite dress. So,
listen, I was so impressed with this stuff. I created my own account with the online retailer, and I'm going to have the link there below. So you guys definitely want to look into this opportunity to get these products in your home, helping you as easily as this helped get this stain off of the floor. And I guess they have a whole wide range of products.
Over 400 products for
vitamins, minerals.
They got vitamins, minerals. They got toothpaste, hair shampoo. They got everything, body wash, everything you might need. And like I said, 99% of it's all plant derivatives. So it's coming from plants and everything. It's just amazing product.
Do they do groceries or?
They don't do groceries yet. I don't think they will. But
it's a whole different market.
It's a whole different market. But like I said, they do carry.
So these are all kinds of household supplies. And supplements, things of that nature. That's great, guys. Listen, there is a link below, so click on that for more information. You can get a whole better idea of what's available for you with this organization, and I'm impressed.
And as like I said, you become a member, you get 30 to 50% off. The product is actually cheaper than what you can buy at the store. So if you're buying product already at the store, just switch stores. You're going to save money and get a better product. It's healthier for you.
And I made my first order 2 days ago, and it arrived today.
And I don't know
at my front door.
I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but it has no childproof caps on it. Doesn't need it. Not like the other stuff have that childproof cap.
Not that we want to.
Not you want to drink it or anything, but there's no childproof cap, so it's not anything there harmful.
I mean, we're here at Uncaged, beautiful wines and
we're
beers.
going to drink the wine and the beer.
We'll try some of that instead of a cleaning product, but it's nice to know in case the kids got into it, it's not going to kill them.
And the odor's nice. It has a nice fragrance to it too.
Certainly, I smell it right now.
Yeah,
absolutely. Nice. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this this video and this demonstration. Again, the link's below for more information on how you can get involved and get your own product like this. And so here's to a clean house and healthy living. All right, thanks everyone. Bye-bye. And thanks you, Mark. We appreciate it.
Glad to be here.